Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to upload an assignment to Schoology. I think the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged into Schoology. So I'm just going to double check here. I'm going to go back and here's my home page. I have my daughter logged into this course so you can see it from a student perspective. So I'm good there. Now I can go and I can take a picture of my document. So I'm going to turn on my camera and I'm going to hover over the top of my paper here. Make sure I have the whole paper in. Notice I have it labeled with my name and the target number. Now that I've taken the picture, I can go back into Schoology and I can upload it. Now there are a couple of ways to do this. I'll show you two. One that most kids use and then another one that always works. You can go in to open up your Schoology app and you can go to your courses and you can choose your math class, which will be the Summer G67. And then you can just pull out your upcoming assignments. And I always like to drag it down and make sure that I refresh it. And this is assignment 1, so that's where I'm going to submit it. So I'm going to touch assignment 1, and then I'm going to go ahead and I want to make a new submission. So I'm going to touch the submissions. And then I'm going to touch the plus key because I'm going to add a new submission. Okay, I want to submit a photo. You have lots of choices here, but we're just going to submit a photo. That's the easiest one to do. And we're going to go into our recents and scroll down to the bottom here, and it should be the last one in the list. You can select it. Then you can touch the arrow that says to upload it, and then you touch the green arrow again. And you will see that that has uploaded. You'll notice that I have a number of uploads here. I've done this, made this video a couple of different times throughout the years. So we will go ahead now and go back and show you a second way to do it. Sometimes you don't understand or you don't know when the assignment was. This is a really handy thing for upcoming materials to upload if it's current. But let's say that you were absent on June 11th and you have to upload an assignment to June 11th. You're not going to see that maybe over here. So you can always go back into your home page. And the home page has got your name on it here. And actually this would be your home page right here. But go to this view here and you can select the calendar. Now on the calendar page, there's upcoming and calendar. You want to touch the calendar and then you can go to June 11th. We're in May here, so I'm going to move ahead to June. And we're going to choose June 11th. And here's an assignment right here, assignment 4, and I can just select that assignment and I can go through the same process. I'm going to submit. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit the plus key up here because I'm going to make a new submission. I'm going to submit a photo or video. We'll go to recents one more time, scroll down, we'll find that picture of the homework we want to submit. We'll hit the green arrow here. We'll hit the green arrow a second time. You'll see that it's uploaded. And then you can always just check to make sure that that image has been uploaded on time, May 21st at 11:42 a.m. And that's it. 2 quick and easy ways to upload. Either of them work depending upon the situation. All right? Good luck.